Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to make your career in SAP, then there are multiple SAP models which you can learn and start your career in SAP. So today we will understand the SAP MM, that is material management. So this session is specifically for introduction to SAP management. This is all about me. My name is Purushottam. I'm currently working in one of the top third IT MNC, having 17 plus years of experience in SAP cloud and project management, having 30 plus global certification in SAP and cloud technology, and that helped me to share my knowledge with you. And having my 17 plus years of experience, I'm utilizing here to share my knowledge with you and educate you or guide you with my experience and helping you to make your career in SAP and cloud technology. So stay tuned. Now, what all things we are going to know today under this session is what is SAP MM, the key feature of SAP MM, then the core component, the process flow, the benefits of material management, the key transactions of SAP MM, the role of MM in supply chain management, and the integration with other modules. So these all things we are going to know today under this session. So let us see what SAP MM is. So the SAP MM, that is material management, is a key module in SAP ERP. ERP is nothing but the enterprise resource planning that deals with procurement and inventory management. The purpose of having SAP MM is it helps to manage material and inventory effectively, and it ensures seamless integration with other modules like SAP SD, MM, PP, PLM, and so on. So, now let's see the key features of SAP material management. The most important is the procurement management. So like you take an example of any manufacturing company or any company or any business. So every business runs with multiple departments, and to run any organization or any company we need to purchase few things. Using those things we can run our business. So procurement process is very important. So there is a key feature of SAP MM is the procurement management. Through that we can do the purchase order creation and vendor management. The second one is inventory management. Like any organization, there is an inventory of, if it is a manufacturing company, they have a raw material, they have a number of things, or a computer, laptops, inventories, and so on. So they should have some applications or some process to monitor the inventory. So here is the key feature of SAP MM is the inventory management. Under that we can do the stock tracking and movements of goods. The the third one is material valuation. In that we can do the costing and pricing of the material. The fourth one is invoice verification. In that, what we can do is we can check and processing the invoices. The last one is integration. We can work closely with other SAP models like SD, MM, WM, PP, so that we can do the overall process through one cycle. So it is very flexible. It can easily integrate with other models, and we can get a maximum benefit of material management. Let's see the core components of SAP MM. The first one, like we saw, is purchasing is the most important process of any organization. So under processing we can manage the procurement process. The second one is inventory management. In that we can do the track of the stock and material, so that wherever our what all things are there under the inventory or in the storeroom, we can have the live visibility or data availability, like what is the stock of our goods and material. We can have the track of it, and if there is any shortage or based on our project plan, we can ensure like the relevant inventory is available in the storeroom or not. So inventory management is very helpful uh, component in SAP MM. The second one is material master data, in which we can have a central database of overall material information, so that from anywhere we can get the information of our data. The second one is the vendor master information. So when we purchase anything or any material from anybody, so we must be having like vendor or supplier, through that we are buying the things. So we can have the overall information of all the vendors and supplier under vendor master data. The next one is valuation and account assignment. Under that we can do the cost and inventory management. Let's see the process flow of MM. The procure management process. So under that, what all things we can do. So we can request for the quotation. We can do the purchase order, good receipt, and invoice verification. The next one is inventory management process. Under that, we can do the multiple things like stock transfer, stock movements, goods issue, good receipts. The another one is material valuation. In that we can do pricing and material costing. Now, most important is the benefits of SAPMM. Why any organization should have the material management in their organization, or SAP ERP, under that they should have a MM. So many times we heard I'm a MM consultant. We have a MM model under our organization. So why they use MM for their organization? So let's see, or let's understand the benefits of SAPMM. So the most important is the efficiency. So it is a streamlined procurement and material management. So it helps to streamline the overall process for the doing the material management and the overall procurement for the organization. The second one is cost reduction. So cost is the major factor in any business, and it helps to reduce the cost by having the better tracking of inventory and reduce the waste, so that when we have a proper clarity of the material which are available in the storeroom, we can avoid the additional material purchasing, or which material is already available in the stock, we can utilize that. So we can, using all these process, we can save the cost for the organization. The third one is integration. We can easily integrate any business process like finance, sales, production, or third party applications, so that we can have a seamless integration and seamless running the business processes. The third one is transparency. Transparency is very important in any organization or any business. So it helps us to give the real time visibility into the inventory and procurement status, so that we can have the clarity overall picture. Let us see the key transactions of SAPMM. So the first one is ME21N, which uses for the purchase order creation. The second one is ME51N, which creates purchase requisition. The third one is MIGO, that is MIGO, which is used for goods movement such as good received, good issues, and so on. The third one is MIRO, which is used for invoice verification. And the last one is MB1A, which is used for goods issue. Let's understand the role of SAPMM in supply chain management. So SAPMM is a backbone for material handling and procurement within the supply chain. It ensures that the right material are available at the right time. So we saw, like that we can have a real time data availability, and inventory management. So all those component basically relates to this role, where we can have the right material available at the right time. So that is the most important. The another one is support vendor relationship and maintain the optimal inventory levels. Here we'll see like integration with other SAP models which can be integrated with SAP MM. So the first one is SAP SD, that is sales and distribution. We can integrate it for order fulfillment. The another one is WM, that is warehouse management. The integration can be done for stock management in warehouse. The another one is production planning, which can be used for material required in production. Now the conclusion of this session is, the SAP MM is the powerful tool for managing the overall procurement, inventory, and supply chain management processes in an organization. and it has a very good future. We can see like SAP MM continues to evolve with its feature like automation and AI driven decision making. So using that we can have a very streamlined and very efficient procurement process or inventory management process, which help organization to run smoothly and perform well. The last one is for question and answer. So, guys, if you have any question related to SAPMM or anything related to SAP or technology, you are feel free to add a comment or ask a question. I will be happy to give you the answer or give you the information related to the query or question you are having. So it will be great if you will, post your question in comment box. I will be replying to your comments as soon as possible for me. So stay tuned, keep learning, happy learning. Thank you.